The Redmi K80 Pro is a flagship-level smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and affordability, making it a compelling choice for a wide range of users. One of the main reasons to buy the K80 Pro is its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which ensures fast and smooth performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications. This processor is built for power efficiency, helping the phone deliver a longer battery life without sacrificing speed. The device also features a 120Hz AMOLED display, offering an ultra-smooth scrolling experience and vibrant colors, making it ideal for gaming, watching videos, and browsing social media. The screen is sharp, with deep blacks and bright whites, ensuring that content looks stunning in any lighting. For photography enthusiasts, the 50MP primary camera on the K80 Pro provides excellent versatility, capturing high-quality photos with great detail and vibrant colors in both bright and low-light conditions. The camera system also comes with a variety of AI-driven enhancements, enabling users to capture professional-grade images with ease. If you love to take photos or shoot videos, this device offers great value for its price. The 5000 mAh battery provides a solid amount of endurance, allowing you to go through an entire day of heavy usage on a single charge. Plus, with fast charging support, the K80 Pro can quickly recharge, minimizing downtime and ensuring you're always ready to go. Design-wise, the Redmi K80 Pro boasts a sleek, premium build with a glass back and aluminum frame, offering a premium feel in the hand without being overly heavy. The device is also incredibly slim and lightweight, making it comfortable for extended use. It features ample RAM and storage options, with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, games, photos, and videos while also ensuring fast app launches and smooth multitasking. This makes the K80 Pro a great choice for power users who need a phone that can handle heavy workloads without any lag. The MIUI operating system, based on Android, offers a highly customizable user interface with a wealth of features, such as an intuitive app drawer, enhanced privacy controls, and a rich selection of themes. This makes the K80 Pro a great choice for those who appreciate having the ability to personalize their phone to fit their needs. Additionally, the phone supports 5G connectivity, ensuring that you're future-proofed for the next generation of high-speed mobile networks. This makes the K80 Pro an excellent choice for anyone who wants to ensure that their phone remains relevant and capable of handling the latest technological advancements. The NFC functionality on the K80 Pro is another major plus, as it enables easy mobile payments, contactless card transactions, and quick pairing with compatible devices like Bluetooth headphones and smartwatches. This adds an extra layer of convenience to the phone, making it an even more practical device for everyday use. Furthermore, the K80 Pro is priced very competitively, offering a flagship-grade experience at a fraction of the cost of many high-end smartphones from other brands. This affordability, combined with the premium features, makes it an excellent value-for-money option for anyone looking for a top-tier smartphone without the flagship price tag. Finally, Xiaomi's dedication to providing regular software updates ensures that the Redmi K80 Pro will continue to improve with time, bringing new features, optimizations, and security patches. Whether you're looking for a device with impressive performance, excellent battery life, or top-tier photography capabilities, the Redmi K80 Pro has all of these features and more, making it an outstanding choice for both tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike.